Have you ever drawn a house on paper and imagined it becoming real? Or played with building blocks and wished you could design a real building? Well, guess what? That dream is real for engineers. Welcome to the world of engineering drawing and CAD. It's where imagination meets creation. What is engineering drawing? Engineering drawing is like the language of engineers. It's how we draw things before we build them. Definition: engineering drawing is a detailed and precise way of drawing objects to communicate how they are to be made. Imagine giving someone Lego bricks without instructions. Chaos, right? Engineering drawings are those instructions, super clear and easy to follow. Why do we need it? Why can't we just talk about our ideas? Well, imagine telling someone to build a tall tower. They might build something totally different than what you imagined. So engineers draw every part, size, shape, and how it fits with others. That way, everyone's on the same page. Whether it's a bridge, robot, or phone, it all starts with a drawing. What is CAD? Now, instead of drawing with just pencils and rulers, we use computers. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design. Definition: CAD is the use of computer software to create precise drawings and models of products. It's faster, more accurate, and allows us to create 3D models too. Imagine designing a toy on your screen, spinning it around, zooming in, changing colors before it's even built. Here's a powerful quote by the inventor Leonardo da Vinci: "Where the spirit does not work with the hand, there is no art." In engineering, the drawing is the hand, and the idea is the spirit. Examples in real life. Let's look at where this is used. Architects design houses with CAD. Car companies draw every car part in detail. Airplanes, rockets, even theme parks all begin with drawings. Even machines and tools, all planned before built. No drawing equals no making. Simple. Why you should learn this. So why should you learn engineering drawing in CAD? Because whether you want to be an engineer, architect, game designer, or even a product creator, it all starts with drawing your idea, and will help you. In our upcoming playlist, you'll learn how to read and draw basic engineering sketches, use simple CAD software, build your first 3D model, understand blueprints of real machines, all explained in fun, simple ways, just like this. So remember, engineering drawing shows us how to make things. CAD helps us draw faster and better. And with both, we turn dreams into designs. Comment: what would you design first, a robot or a car? Like this video, subscribe to follow the full CAD and drawing series, and get ready, because next we'll teach you computer programming for engineers.